Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix FACEIT AC. You need to restart your computer to complete the reinstallation. Just you will click on the restart, click to come to back, then go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart to restart your system. And in this video, seeing for your begin, like and comment this video and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Let's go with the second step. Run as admin, FACEIT as game. So go to the desktop, right click on the FACEIT game. So go to select and you will go to the properties. We will click on the calculator tab, then we should select the calculator mode. Below we should select the run this program as administrator. Once it done, hit the apply and OK to save, then close it. Then relaunch FACEIT, check whether it is working or not. Still not working, then go to the next step, Windows update. Sometimes if you don't update the Windows update, you will get this error. So you will go to the check Windows update. So we need settings. So search the settings in my search bar. You will click to open, then you will click on the Windows update. If you are available update, just you will download button, click to update the latest version update in Windows. Once it done, then close it, then come to back, then go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart to relaunch the game. Check whether it is working or not. Still not working, then go to the next step. Finally, these 3 steps try to still not working, then only then go to the reinstall FACEIT AC game. Then this application solved. If you have solved this application, and don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, subscribe to comment. I will definitely reply to you, and don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.